let's get crafting! You're on!
Spider-Man, where are you? Oh, it tickles! Welcome to the Fizzy Show! Come on, Phoebe, let's go! But I feel sad. Don't be sad, Phoebe. It's just trick-or-treating. But I don't have a costume on. Let me try and use my magic. Fizzy, Wizzy, Bo, Bizzy, Bop. Fizzy, I didn't mean for you to actually turn me into a pumpkin. Oops. Let me reverse it. Fizzy, Wizzy, Bo, Bizzy, Bop. Whew, that's much better. Oh, but I still don't have an outfit. I think I might need some help with this. I need someone to save the day. Uh-oh, Fizzy, what have you summoned? Just trust me.
I heard someone needs saving.
Oh, yes, please. We need your help.
Hey, nobody panic, I'm here. Oh, hey, don't worry, I got this, all right? Yeah, me too, it's no problem. But saving things is kinda more my thing. I disagree.
Excuse me, sorry. I don't want to interrupt, but we just need some help. Yeah, I need an awesome sauce Halloween costume, but I've got nothing.
Well, with Halloween at stake, we can achieve anything. Hey, why don't we both make an option and Fizzy and Phoebe can choose the winner? Our versus? All right, you're on, Spider-Man.
Yay, I love the competition. So, who's first?
Me! I'm gonna create the most super cool costume for you, Phoebe. Be right back.
Whoa! Interesting choice, Captain.
Trust me, I have a plan. Phoebe, I need you to hold still.
I'll try. Oh, it tickles. Wow! Ta-da! So, how do I look?
Great, but let's keep it as a surprise for the grand finale. Oh, I think this look could save the world.
Awesome sauce! Thanks, Captain America! What's wrong, Spider-Man?
I just feel so uninspired.
That's alright. Just think of things that remind you of Halloween. Like pumpkins or ghosts or...
I got it! Oh, thanks, Fizzy.
No problem. I'm excited to see what you'll create.
Fizzy, can I ask you a favor?
Sure, ask away.
Can you just hold still for me, please? I've got a brilliant idea.
Of course, Spider-Man. I trust you.
All right.
Whoa, what's that, Spider-Man?
You'll see. Now, come on. It's time to hold still.
All right.
Now, don't worry, Fizzy. I'm just gonna cover you up like this.
Uh-oh, it's got super dark. Spider-Man, where are you?
Don't worry, Fizzy. I've got an idea.
Awesome sauce. Are we done yet, Spider-Man?
Yup, all finished.
So, what does it look like?
It's better than I could ever have imagined. I've definitely saved the day with this outfit. You look spookylicious.
All right.
Come on, let's go show the others in the grand finale.
Awesome sauce.
All right, Fizzy and Phoebe, it's time to show us what you've got. It's time for a Halloween catwalk. did you make it? Simple, really. Just some loo roll. You know, loo roll does save the universe.
This is so much fun! Hey, Fizzy, it's your turn! I can't.
What? Why?
I don't know what sound a ghost makes.
That's all right. I'll teach you. It goes something like, like this. Ooh, ooh, ooh.
Alright, got it. Thanks, Spider-Man. Ooh.
That's it. All right, gone. Go show 'em what you got, Fizzy.
Alright.
Introducing Fizzy the Ghost!
Whoa! 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 Wow, that is awesome sauce!
Thanks, Phoebe. I'm glad you like it. I think you're ready for Halloween now, Phoebe.
You think so?
We know so! Yes! We did it! Together. You're right, Spider-Man. Teamwork really does make the dream work.
Oh no! What's wrong, Phoebe? They're both so good! I can't choose a winner! I agree. So that can only mean one thing. You both win!
Yay! We did it! Aw, thanks, Fizzy and Phoebe. I wish I was coming trick-or-treating with you. It looks so much fun.
Well, why don't you?
But we don't have a costume.
Well, luckily for us, we know some superheroes who are pretty good at making some.
Oh, really? Who?
You silly!
Oh, yeah. Come on, Captain. Let's get crafting. You're on.
Thanks for watching. We hope you all have a Fizzy fantastic day. We will see you next time. Hey, Fizzy, you look spooktastic. Good one, Phoebe.
Whoa! 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 Whoa!
All together now! Fizzy! Wizzy! Bo Busy Bop!